Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to STK Life 9. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. As you can see, I already did that over here because it was taking a lot of time to download, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Receive on STK Life 9 and we have to wait for this one to download in order to continue. So now over here you need to click I accept, confirm, continue and allow as well, but then select send. Now tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only those two. This song and a photo, just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on STK, choosing allow and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here. And tap on receive. And now, as you can see, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!